Hey, this is Terry at Lithos and Lasers, and today I'm going to show you how I convert this file here from Crafty Cut into a nice Christmas ornament. So I've already got the file set on my computer, and I have a list of names that I'm going to do ornaments of. So we're going to start here with Blake. So I'm going to open up the B SVG. And the first thing I'm going to do to it is I'm going to resize it. And my ornaments I like at 4 inches. So we're going to go 4 inches high. The second thing I'm going to do is fix some parts that are not connected. So you'll see here, this one is connected at this point. Some letters, these aren't connected at all. But just to make sure it's a stronger bond, I'm going to use the direct selection tool. And I'm going to grab here, here, I'm holding shift, here, and here. I'm just going to tap up about 4 times. All right, those are touching now. So we're going to repeat here, 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 and here, and press down 4 times. All right, so I'm going to select the whole thing. And with my Pathfinder, I'm going to unite that. So those are now touching, making the top and bottom a stronger bond. Next, I'm going to add a hanger. I'm going to use the ellipse tool. I'm going to make a circle. I'm going to change that circle to be 0.5 inches around. I'm going to copy paste it. Going to make the next one 0.25. I'm going to overlap them with the alignment tool, and I'm going to minus the front from the back. All right, so now I'm going to bring this up here till it intersects. My entire item should be 4 1/4 tall now, which it is. So I'm going to use the Pathfinder and unite that. So now my ornament has a nice hanger attached, and all of this is attached. If you're doing a lot of these, you might want to just go do that to all of the letters in the alphabet so that you have it done and you don't have to repeat it all the time like I do. So our first person here is Blake. So let's enter Blake. And I like to use Clarendon Bold. Yeah, Clarendon Heavy, ET Heavy. Then we're just going to size it up to about 1 inch, and we'll work from there. An inch was just about right. It's a little bit tall. I'm just going to hold shift and drag it down a little bit. Now you want to go to Type, Create Outlines. At this point, you can select everything and align it horizontally. Sometimes you'll have to tweak it left or right even at that point. It's looking pretty good to my eye, so I'm going to unite again, and that worked great. I'm going to undo that and show you something. So we are not united now, right? So sometimes you can be close, right, and not tell. And when you unite that, if you see any blue lines around your text, there's a cut there. So here it's fairly obvious that there's a cut going on in my Blake, so I'm going to undo. I'm going to come down. And so the blue lines that you see now are going to go away when I hit unite. Okay. So now you don't see any cuts that are going to happen, and your Blake isn't going to fall out when you cut it. So I needed to do Blake. Let's go ahead and do one more. Let's do Megan. So I'm going to open up the M. Now usually these are last names. This person, this customer wanted first names, so that's what we're doing. They've already ordered a ton of these, so I know what they want. So we're going to start out with making it 4 inches. Now this one's a little bit different because we're going to end up with 2 of our hangers. So 0.5, copy paste. If it'll make it easier for you, I'll show you. I'll make that a different color. All right, gotta make this one 0.25. Going to align them. Going to minus the front. And I just made a copy of it as well. So drop that there. Kind of eyeball it, see what position you like that in. See if we got our height right, 4 1/4, so we're good. So let's weld it. And Megan. So Megan's kind of short for the width of this ornament, so I'll show you what we're going to do there. Going to do our Clarendon. Going to do 1 inch. Bring it down just a tad. Up just a tad. All right. So it looks okay, but I like it a little bit longer, so I'm going to increase the spacing. And I think I like that spacing better. Go ahead and create our outlines and center it. See what that looks like. What I'm looking for here is the point from here to there and on the other side, and I like it. So kind of unite again. We don't have any issues. We don't want to forget connecting our points. It's most of the time I use these points. Sometimes I might use this point instead. But I don't like that. Let's do our bottom. And we're united. So there is a second ornament done. So now I'm going to go off and finish the rest of the customer's orders, but I hope that helped you guys. And you can use that for this monogram or any other monogram you want. Adding hangers is the same process. And then you just want to make sure that all of the elements in your letter are all connecting. You don't have anything free floating. So hope that helps. This is Terry at the Throws and Lasers. Have a good day.